Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Imran. I'm a UK and international tax specialist. Once again, I'm here with another interesting video. In this video, I will explain to you what happens is when an individual ceases to trade or stop trading, what is the closing year rules and how an individual can have a relief for the overlap profit. So this video is with illustration and example, which will make it very easy for the viewers to understand this concept. Once you have the concept, you can do very well in your exam and in practice. I suggest you do not skip any part of this video because there are lots of useful information which will benefit you. And also subscribe to my channel because I'll be making more interesting video like this in the future. Now, this topic is highly tested in ACCA, ACA, and CTA exam. It's also helping viewers in understanding the overlap relief and the closing year rules. This video is with illustration, which will make it very easy for the viewers to understand the concept. Now let's begin. The overlap profit. Overlap of profit arises in the opening years. If you have seen my other videos, how the opening year rules work, then you will understand this topic very well as well. I would suggest you watch this video as well. So overlap of profit arises in the opening years where the same profit is taxed twice. This arises unless the trader chose to prepare accounts till 5th of April or 31st March. The HMRC treats 31st March same as 5th of April. So in the opening year, there will be overlap profit if you choose another accounting date other than 5th of April or 31st March. Generally, a trader should not pay tax twice on the same profit. So that is the rule. So the same profit cannot be taxed twice. Therefore, the overlap profit will be relieved when the trader ceases to trade or change the accounting reference date to 5th of April. So when an account, so for example, if there's overlap profit, that will be relieved when the trader ceases to trade or change the accounting date to 5th of April. The trader must keep the record of the overlap profit to ensure it correctly relieved. So the trader must keep the record in their tax return. They need to show that there's an overlap profit, and then when they cease to trade or change the accounting period date to 5th of April, so they can relieve the overlap profit brought forward. Now, here's the illustration. How long will be the overlap period for a trader if the trader has the following year ends? Remember, the trader does not have to choose the period from 6th of April to 5th of April. They have the choice to choose any accounting date. They can choose 31st December, they can choose 31st January, the accounting period end date. So in this case, if the year end is 31st of January, so then in this case, there will be overlap profit of 2 months. If the year end is 30th of April, so that is almost 11 months far behind than 5th of April. So in this case, there will be 11 months overlap profit. If there will be like 31st May, there's potentially 10 months, and then June will be 9 months if you go ahead until you choose accounting reference date to 5th of April or 31st March. Now, illustration number 2, a trader started trade on 1st of January 2021 and made accounts as follows. 6 months, the first accounts are 6 months long, ending 30th of June 2021. It's began in the tax year 2020-21 and ended in the tax year because the 30th of June 2021 falls in tax year 2021-22. So that accounting period covered 2 tax years. So made a profit of 15,000, and then the year end 30th of June 2022 and made a profit of 18,000. I have already uploaded a video which covered the opening year rules. You must watch this video. It's already on the YouTube before you watching this one because both videos are related. In that video, I explain how the opening year rules work, which will make it very easy for you to understand the whole concept. So when it's come to second year, because we already dealt with the 2020-21, the second year is 2021-22 and only 6 months long. So you need to ask yourself a question. Is there an accounting date that ends between 6th of April 2021 till 5th of April 2022? Yes, because the 30th of June 2021 ends in 2021-22 tax year. So yes, the answer is yes. Then the second question you need to ask, How long is this accounting period? Because it's only 6 months long, so which is less than 12 months. In this case, you need to tax the profit of the first 12 months. So the first 12 months is start from the 1st of January 2021 till 31st December 2021. So you need to take the first 15,000 and then the remaining 6 months from 30th of June 2022. So 6 divided by 12 multiplied by 18,000, that give you a taxable profit of 24,000 for 21-22 years. Here's the 15,000 profit assessed twice. So because remember that 15,000, we already assessed 3 months worth of profit from that 15,000. So hence the overlap profit is 7,500. Closing year rules, very important. In closing year rules, we first look at the penultimate tax year. That is the tax year before the cessation of trade. In that period, we assess profit using normal current year basis rule. I will show you with illustration. On cessation of trade, we tax the remaining profit and then we deduct the overlap profit brought forward. The overlap profit is fully deductible in the final year. So I will show you with illustration. Here's the illustration for the closing year rules. So Simon makes his account till 31st December each year. He ceased trading on 31st May 2022, which was in the tax year 2022-23. He has unrelieved overlap profit of 8,000. Now let's see how you can relieve this now. His tax adjusted profit is as follows. For the year ended 31st December 2021, which is falls in 2021-22, so here's a taxable profit of 30,000, and then the 5 months ending 31st May 2022, which ends in 2022-23 years. So here's a profit of 15,000. So when you answer in this question, so the year of cessation is 2022-23. So the penultimate year of assessment is 2021-22. So that will be based on the current year basis. So CYB stands for the current year basis as of the result of 31st December 2021. So you can see there's a profit of 30,000. The final year, which falls in 2022-23, so you'll take a profit of 15,000, and from this you will deduct the overlap profit brought forward of 8,000. Hence the revised taxable trading profit for 2022-23 will be 7,000. So that's how you will get a relief, or a trader will get a relief for overlap profit brought forward. Now, this is illustration number 4, very useful. The examiner can bring any type of question. They can twist the question, but as long as you do have the knowledges, the basic understanding, you will be able to answer it in a split second or in a minute. So it will be save you time. So it's best to have the knowledges, even in practice. Assume in illustration number 3, the trader who normally prepare accounts till 31st December, prepare his cessation accounts to 17 months long till 31st May 2022. So he didn't make it till 31st December 2021. He made one accounting period of 17 months long. So with a profit of 40,000, he has overlap profit of 8,000. Now, the cessation year again is 2022-23 because its end on 31st May 2022 is the same previous illustration. So the cessation date is 2022-23 tax year. Hence the penultimate year of assessment is 2021-22. So Simon's usual year end is 31st December. So remember, as we saw in the previous illustration, so his accounting period ends on 31st December 2021. So this will be the year ended 31st December 2021. So his penultimate year is 2021-22. That will be current year basis. So you will take a profit from 1st of January 2021 till 31st December. So you will take the 12 months profit from that 17 months long accounting period on the period of account. So 12 divided by 7 multiplied by 40,000. So that will give you 28,235, and then the remaining 5 months. So it's the same accounting, but this time is just to confuse you. I made one set of accounts. Instead of breaking it by 31st December, I just bring it all together, the result by 31st May 2022, which cover 2 tax year in this case. So then, so the remaining parts will be from 1st of January 2022 to 31st May 2022. So take 5 months profit and then less the overlap profit of 8,000, and then it would give you a taxable or the revised taxable profit for 2022 and 23. Now, this is illustration number 5, but slightly technical, but nothing technical once you have the knowledges or once you have the basic understanding. Now, let's consider Simon, who normally prepare accounts to 31st of August each year. He ceased trade on 31st January 2023. His accounts and profit for the tax purpose are, so the year ended 31st of August 2021, he has a profit of 40,000. For the year ended 31st of August 2022, he has a profit of 50,000. And then the 5 months ended 31st of January 2023, because on 31st of January 2023, he ceased trade. Now, based on the data, because there are 2 accounting periods that ends in the same tax year. So the accounting period ends on 31st of August 2022, is end in 2022-23, and the same is the cessation date of 31st January 2023 also falls in the tax year 2022-23. So do not be confused and do not be panicked. So just same rule. Choose find out the penultimate tax year and then the final year, and then from the final year profit you deduct the overlap profit. So in this case, Simon ceased trade on 31st January 2023, which falls in 2022-23. Therefore, his penultimate year is 2021-22. So the penultimate year is always on the current year basis, based on, so that is 2021-22. So that was an accounting period that ends on 31st of August 2021, that falls in 2021-22. So take that profit and then deal with the final year. In the final year, there are 2 accounting periods that falls in 2022-23, as I explained before. So in this case, the profit of 31st of August 2022, that falls in the tax year 2022-23, which is the final year as well. And then the final month ended 31st of January profit 2023, that also falls in 2022-23. So then the 2 profits, just add them up, less the overlap for relief. So you need to pay attention. Once you have the knowledges, just pay attention to the question, what the examiner asking or whoever asking this question in practical life, you will be able to answer. And as long as you know the rules, then the rest is very easy. Finally, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Remember, once you have the knowledges, the examiner cannot trick you. You will also perform well in practice. My aim is to give you confidence and knowledges you need for your exam and in practice. Hence, your chances of passing exam or chances of employability will be high because you will have practical knowledges. Do not forget to share, like, and comments. Also hit the subscribe button because I'll be making more useful video like this to benefit you. So in the following video, I will be covering the partnership, how the partnerships work, and then I'll be also covering CGT, capital gain taxes, the reforms on the opening year rules which HMRC introduced, and also I'll be covering inheritance tax, financial reporting, and financial management. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to wish you a very pleasant day.